Wilderness Survival Kit, coming in at £19.99. This kit has been designed by Modular Survival's wilderness and bushcraft experts to contain the essentials you need to survive in the wilderness. Now, I really like this kit. This is an interesting take on the traditional survival kit. Everyone's heard of the Altoid tins, but this, I think, is one up from that. You know, the fact that it's so small, it's thin, it's lightweight, it can be easily thrown on the top of a pack, in your cargo pocket when you're walking out into the woods or going out into the wilds. So this kit will help you navigate, construct a shelter, trap food, create fire, provide first aid, purify water, carry out repairs of kit. It'll help you fish, attract attention, and keep warm. Now, this is a very comprehensive kit, and I can't wait to show it to you. So, first things first, we'll take a look at the actual packaging, then we'll open it up and I'll show you the list of features. So, first things first, we have the outside packaging. So, we have the compass for navigation, kind of gives an impression of the wilds, and you have a nice green and black colour scheme. So this one is the Wilderness Survival Kit. So I'll spin it around and I'll show you the back. So on the back, as with all modular survival kits, has a QR code, so if you wanted to reorder or get some more information about the kit, you can simply scan that with your phone and that'll take you directly to the website. So let's read you the writing on the back here. So this kit has been this kit has been made by our wilderness and bushcraft experts. It contains the essentials you need to survive in the wilderness. Whether backpackers, cyclists, hunters, or any other outdoor activity that ventures into the great outdoors, this module is a must. And the modular survival system is a perfect thing, because if you were doing perhaps a dangerous activity in the wilds, you might decide to take this, and you might decide to take one of their first aid kits. The beauty of the modular survival system is that you can pick and choose what you need to what it is you're doing. So without further ado, we'll open it up and we'll take a look inside. So, totally waterproof packaging as usual. Has a heat seal top and Ziploc resealable closure with tear notches. Okay, let's take a look, shall we? So first up, we have a tea light candle. Obviously useful for providing light, and if you had a limited amount of matches, for example, you can light a candle, keep that burning, then use the candle to actually start your fire. So not only the impression of warmth and illumination, but also a good bit of fire starting kit. This is a well packed kit, I'll tell you that. Okay, so we have a foil container here. That's neat, that is. So this is a multi-function item. You could use this to cook on like that. You can use it to attract attention with the sunlight. Use it to collect water and then purify it afterwards. I like that. That really is a multi-functional bit of kit. And if you want to, I'm sure you can make a hat out of it as well. So you have a nice foil tray there. And then we have a smaller kit inside. And that is packed. Wow. Okay, so first things first, we have a bit of gauze here. So that could be used for a number of things. You could use that as tinder, or you could use that for a bit of first aid. You have 2 alcohol swabs. So with this being alcohol, you could use this as a fire starter, and also you could use that for first aid. So 2 of them. emergency whistle, so you can call for help. Not going to blow too loud as it is quite late. We have water purification tablets here. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 water purification tablets. So add 1 tablet to 5 litres of clear water. So you have a decent amount of water there. Nice, clean, safe drinking water. We have a fishing kit. So we have a number of different sized hooks there. We have a fishing line, weights, and some bait, which is like jelly worms. Very cool. Nice little fishing kit there. That's nice. You have a very good quality wire saw here. So this could be part of a shelter building kit. That's good. That's a nice quality wire saw there. So very nice wire saw. There's still loads more in here. So you have a selection of plasters. So we have 4 plasters there. Obviously wound care is especially important in the wilderness. If you're stuck somewhere, a small cut could lead to infection. So using your alcohol swabs and a plaster can help keep the infection at bay. We have some dental floss. Yep, dental floss. So not only can dental floss be used as a good piece of hygiene equipment, also can be used for cordage and shelter building. So that's quite good. That very small, lightweight, but multi-purpose. We have a number of storm matches and striker. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 10 matches. Very good. Definitely get a fire started with that. Even I could start a fire with that, I think. You have a ferro rod. We have a torch. Good bit of not only illumination, but also the ability to attract attention. So I like that. Nice little torch. Lightweight button torch. Keeps coming. Silk gel pack, just to keep the moisture at bay. Let's see, it's a little blade. Yep. Nice little blade there. Locks open. Doesn't lock open, but it stops here, so it doesn't come back. Definitely, yeah, that's pretty sharp. Nice little blade there, so you can use this for food prep, shelter building, and again, multi-purpose. Hunting, I guess, if you really were desperate. We have some snare wire, so obviously catching small game with snares. Oops. Have a button compass. Very neat. And yep, that is the contents of the kit. And we have a card multi-tool here. So again, you can use this for shelter building. Attracting attention, actually. That's a good reflection on there. Mainly this is a useful tool. And not only are the contents of the actual kit useful, although you have the tray here, you also have 2 bags which you can store water in. So what you could do, fill with water, pop a Puri tab in there, close it up, and you have the ability to transport clean, safe drinking water. So that's the contents. Just to give you a quick recap, included are the actual bags that the kit comes in. A large foil tray, purification tablets, plasters, alcohol swabs, so tinder and first aid, some gauze, again tinder and first aid, dental floss, shelter building, emergency whistle, attracting attention, folding blade, food prep, shelter building, numerous uses. Stall matches and striker, obviously fire. Small torch, illumination and signalling, attracting help. Comprehensive fishing kit, obviously for food. Snare wire, again, food taken care of. Ferro rod, get a good fire going. Bottom compass, finding your way home. Tea light, illumination, signalling and fire starting. Really good quality wire saw, shelter building. And the card multi-tool. So you can use this in combination with the the ferro rod to start a fire, and also use for shelter building. I am really impressed with this kit. Definitely gives the traditional Altoids tin a run for its money. I think you can fit a lot more in here, and again the fact that it's actually a waterproof, resealable pouch definitely gives it an edge over the traditional Altoids tin. So this is the Wilderness Survival Kit module, and I think it's a must for every outdoorsman and woman. Multifunctional, well thought out, obviously with the bonus of being in the packaging. Again, I keep mentioning it, but it's a really good addition to this kind of area of survival. And as always, this can be combined with other modules to give you even more chance for survival. So there you go. That is the Wilderness Survival Kit module. Thanks for watching. Get out into the wild, have fun, but stay safe, and I'll see you soon.